Hi guys, welcome to another video. It's better late than never. After 1 year, I finally got my own PS5. As you know, it's very hard to buy one of this because of shortage of supply. What I have here is a PS5 bundle from Game Extreme, meaning it's a PS5 unit with some extra games and accessories included. I'm really excited with this purchase. So come and join me in unboxing this. Let's see what's inside the box. First, I've got a free voucher here from Vision Express to buy one and get one, a branded eyewear. Next, I have here the extra DualSense PS5 controller. I also have here the charging dock for the PS5 controllers. I also have a couple of games here. 7 in total. And finally, the PS5 unit. For the games, we have the PS5 version of Ratchet and Clank, we also have the PS5 version of Spider-Man Miles Morales, the PS5 version of Just Dance 2022, the PS4 version of Watch Dogs Legion, PS5 version of Ghost of Tsushima, PS5 version of Death Stranding, and the PS5 version of NBA 2K22. For Watch Dogs Legion, there's also a free DLC code included. For NBA 2K22, we also have a free DLC code. As well as an extra item here. Let's see, what is this? Next, for the extra DualSense wireless controller, let's unbox this. I will do a separate review of this. As you know, this is the best console controller as of to date. So it has haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, built-in microphone, and signature comfort for the gamers. So we have a manual inside as usual, and the PS5 DualSense controller. Next, let's unbox the charging dock. As indicated here, it has fast charging and an LED breathing indicator. So we have here a USB to USB-C charging cable, and also the charging dock station itself. Next, let's check if this is working. Okay, as you can see, we have an LED indicator on the controller and the charging dock station. And finally, let's unbox the PS5. Let's see what's inside the box. We have, as usual, a manual for the PS5. We have here the quick start guide and the safety guide. Next, we also have the power cable for the PS5. And then okay, we have here the base that we need to attach to the PS5, whether we will place it in a vertical or horizontal position. We also have the HDMI adapter. And also, we have here the DualSense controller included with the PS5 unit. And finally, we also have a USB to USB-C cable needed to charge the wireless controller. And finally, the PS5 unit. There you go, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel as I will be doing a full review of the PS5 and its controller. And also, I will do a gameplay video of all of these games. See you in the next one.